So these are the AP review questions from chapter 3, number 10. So slope of the line tangent. Hopefully you all think immediately the derivative at that point. So basically we're asking for the derivative. Now, some might do quotient rule. I see a quotient. Low d high minus high d low over low squared. Now, that is fully acceptable, but not the wisest choice. I'm going to tell you again, and eventually it's going to sink in. Product rule and quotient rule should not be done when there's a constant. Because when there's a constant, it's not necessary. You're doing things you don't need to do. So rewrite. So I'm going to rewrite this in 2 steps to eliminate the quotient rule. You should know square roots are 1/2 power. Then you should know if I move something with the exponent from bottom to top or vice versa, the sign of the exponent changes. So now I have rewritten this like that, and it makes it so much easier. Watch this. What is the derivative? This is just like something you did earlier. It's like 5. If it was 5x to negative 1/2, you just use the power rule, right? But now we have box. So we're going to use the power rule with box. 5 is a constant. I copied that down. The power moves in front. So a negative 1/2 moves in front. Then I still have box. I subtract 1 from that, and that's negative 3/2. But then you always have to multiply by the derivative of your box, and that's going to be 2x. I'm going to do slight simplification. The 2 there cancels with the 2 there, makes my life easier. And then as I rewrite this, the 5 and the x all stay on top, but that negative exponent there moves this to the bottom, and there's a negative there still that I forgot to deal with. So on the bottom, you're going to have x squared plus 9 to the 3/2 power. And hopefully you know how to deal with rational exponents. That says that we have the square root of x squared plus 9 cubed. So the bottom number is the root, the top number is the power. So now we want to find y prime. At what point did they ask us? They asked us at 4. So it's going to be at the point 4, which will be this. Negative 20. You have 16 plus 9, that's square root of 25 cubed. Should we cube it first or square root it first? Square rooting is much easier in my mind. Negative 20 over 125. And you're going to see the answer is not there. Why? Tai sao? Here's why. Divide top and bottom by 5. So we're going to divide top and bottom by 5. And we get negative 4 over 25. And hopefully that's the answer. Hey!